there's a difference between
Sorry?
there's a dif there's a difference between mass and volume.
Yes, you're right. Mass is the property of matter. Mass is the property of matter. It
Yeah,
gives you its the amount of like how much amount of matter is there. If the amount of matter will be large, then it means mass is large. But the volume is how much
like
3D space, how much
like space.
something
Yeah,
is taking the space. That is the volume. But when you find out the ratio of this, it gives the density. So the amount of the density is the mass per unit volume, or you can say that it will be the amount of matter in a given amount of space, the amount of matter in a given amount of
space.
space. That is the
That is space.
density. So you can see that the image, this is foam, 1 kg foam. It has the lower density where if you're going to take the wood, it has the higher density. Why? Because the space is same for the both 1 kg and 10 kg. Space is same. Then why the density is lower in foam but not in wood? Can you give me the answer of this?
Excuse me, what did he say?
The density of foam, the styrofoam is
Um,
is lower than the
boat.
wood. Yes.
Yeah,
Okay, give me the reason.
because it because foam doesn't actually have the as much like like atom because it's like more kind of more spaced out.
But the amount of space is same, you can see. What's the reason? Think
Because
one more
like
time, then I'll tell you.
the like yeah, it might look like the same. It might look as if they're the same, but um, like the spaces between the atom.
It is due to the mass. It is due to the
Volume,
no volume is same.
volume is same.
Yes, volume is same. Volume is same, but the mass is different. You can say that the mass is 1 kg, 1 kilogram in the example of foam, but if you're going to take the example of wood, is 10 kg, which has the lower mass. This foam has lower mass, so that's why it has the lower density. Right. The more which has the more matter, wood
Yeah,
or foam, which has more matter?
yeah.
Would
Be
have would have more matter because it's 10 kilogram, where foam has only or its least matters only 1 kg. Right.
yeah.
Hmm.
But
So
wait, weight and mass is also different.
yes, yes, you're right. So the formula of the density is mass per unit volume. You have to read from here using the highlighter. You can read, for example, this an ob
You
object's
like
density
moving.
depends on its mass and volume. Go ahead, read it.
Wait. An object's mass is the total amount of, wait, I have to go right. the total amount of matter it has. An object volume is the amount of space it takes up. Imagine a block of styrofoam and a block of wood with the same volume. Each block takes up the same amount of space, but the block of wood has more mass. Which is more dense?
Hmm.
I actually didn't see this part. I was like here the whole time.
Hmm. Okay, read it completely with the example.
Imagine a block of styrofoam and a block of wood with the same volume. Each block takes up the same amount of space, but the block of wood has more mass. Which is more dense?
Hmm. So which is more dense?
Wood.
Wood is more dense here, right? Okay, so we are going to learn this with the examples and the questions. I'm going to put down, you have to use this formula. Density is equal to mass point volume. Um, See, you have to read the question loudly. You have to identify where is mass, where is the volume, and you have to find out the ratio of this. Read it.
Okay. A scoop of ice cream has a mass of 390 grams. A whole volume of 750 cubic centimeter calculates its density. Write your answer to the hundredth place. What?
Hundredths place. Hundredths
Yeah,
place.
and I know what that means. The case the like ones, tens, hundreds.
Yes, now you have to find out the density. Can you find the
Okay.
density? Hmm.
Well, 750 divided by 390.
No,
That'd be
390 divided by 750 because see, this is
like,
D is equal to M over V.
oh, okay. So,
M over V.
oh, I thought the 390
The mass
was
is
was
this.
the
This
max.
is the mass. Yes, and the volume is this. You can see this the volume because the unit of mass is you can identify with its units. So it will be 390 divided by 750. 390 grams divided by 750 cubic centimeter.
Uh, okay. So
Now,
the hundred the
what will be the answer?
like the denominator is bigger than the top, so zero.
Yes, you can cancel the 0 with 0, so it will be 39 over 70, 39 over 75.
Yeah.
Now you have to simplify that one, or you can give the answer in decimal. What will be the decimal answer?
I thought it said to say the hundredths place. Oh, I thought it meant the hundreds digits. Never mind.
Mm, it will be 0.52. What it will be? 0.52
Have to
grams per cubic centimeter. So
0 point.
0.52 will be the answer.
Okay.
Okay, similarly, I'm going to give you another
Usually,
question
like,
and you have to give a try to solve that one.
Okay.
Read the next question.
Okay. Vegetable broth in a bowl has a volume of 425 cubic centimeters and a mass of 459 grams. Calculate its density.
Hmm.
So, no, it's four divided by 4 to 5.
Mm-hmm. You have to give the decimal answer.
Uh, I don't know.
Think about it. Think about it. Do you know how to do the division? See, 459 divided by 425. That's also correct and correct one. But the thing, you can use the long division method, and then after that you can,
Long division. I can
yes.
do long division in this scenario.
And you should do the long division like with the space so that we can understand what's going on. Uh, you can do in here. Yeah. 459. I just write 459 in here and 425 outside of it, and then you have to divide. Uh, well then 1 point. What it gives you. Go ahead.
Um, what am I supposed to do? Multiply them. So 1, 7, uh, 1, 5. Okay, I need more space.
No, see, let me tell you.
Okay, this is getting, oh, okay, this is taking a long time. It's a negative number. I think I forgot long division.
Don't worry now. I'm going to do the long division. You have to understand the long division, how to do that, and what are the steps. So first of all, what we're going to do, we are I'm going to use the 1 because the 4 times 1 will fit best for this, and then it will become, 425 times 1, that will gives you 425. So, uh, you just write down 1 on the
By
top at
four
the
to
quotient
five.
level, and uh, 425 in here. So it will be 425, and then you have to use subtraction. 9 minus 5, 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, you have to put a decimal point because 34 is smaller than 425. You put a decimal point and then put a 0 and then bring it down, and then it's become
So
340. But the thing is, this 340 is, it is the less than 425. Then what should we do in that scenario? We can do 4. We have to put a decimal point in here on the top, and then 425 times of 0, that will gives you 0. So I just put down 0 in here and then subtract, and then 440 minus 0 gives you 340. Then again put a decimal, again put a 0,
then
bring it down, and you have to put like 3400. Now it become 3400. We have to think like 425 times of which number gives you 3400. Now we have to multiply 425. It will be times of 8. 425 times of 8. See, 425 times of 8. What it gives you if you multiply
wait,
425 multiply with 8. It gives you 3400.
wait, 0, 4.
So we are actually learning the long division as well with this, right? We are learning the division process as well with this. We can do with the partial division, but we will do that one later. It gives you 34, not 36. 425 times of 8 gives you 3400. Check it again because, right?
Well, 5 times 8 is 40. 0, 4
Hmm.
times 2 is 16. 0. Oh, never mind.
Hmm.
4.
So 3400. So it will be times of 8. Nothing. So you should write down 8 on the top. So it will become 1.08. That will be in the decimal. Grams per cubic centimeter. 1.08. This is the answer. And this is the long division process. So did you get it or not?
Yeah, kind of.
If you have any question, you can ask. Do you have any question regarding this? Do you have any question or not? Okay, I'm going to put another question for you that you can use. There's a decimal one, but because you're in the grade 8, that's the higher grade, and we have to do the decimal division as well. You have to read the next question loudly first. And I shared another board link in the chat section. You can uh, join that one as well because after a few minutes this meeting will end and we have
Okay.
to do on the
A
other board.
raised,
Mhm.
but I can't see it. Okay.
Read it loudly.
A braised doorknob has a mass of 1.7 gram and a volume of 12.5 cubic centimeters. Calculate its density.
Mhm.
Well, up to five. How much time did this?
Mhm.
Sorry, I zoned out. I zoned out. 8. Or no, I don't think it's 8.
Mhm.
This is 12.5 and 12.
So you have to do, see, listen,
Mm.
w- mass point volume. So this is mass.
3 or 12. That's how you do it.
Okay, mass per unit volume density is equal to mass point volume. So what you have to do, 107 divided by 12.5. 107 inside 12.5. That should be outside, and so what it gives you.
And then 1. Wait, not point zero, point, something, I don't know yet. Wait, no, we're not doing 1,000.
Made a little mistake.
What? What mistake?
It will be
Oh, yeah, I see
times
it.
of 8 because not times of 12. But the thing is, um, after a few minutes, the meeting will end. I shared another board link in the chat section that you can join that one.
Or,
That is the backup board.
okay,
Go to the chat section and then click on the link and then join it with the guest
wait,
access.
what? Or,
Have you joined the board that I shared in the chat section? The
okay,
board. Go to the chat
shit.
and then click on the link that I shared with you. You have to join that one by the guest access.
Okay. I was like, which one?
Write down your name there.
Okay. Um,
When the Zoom meeting is ended, then you can rejoin the Zoom, right?
oh, rejoin the Zoom.
Not right now, but the link that I shared with you.
Like, that's like, let me just. Okay, why did it do something now? Wait, I'm pressing it. Access as guest.
Yes, as a guest. Press it.
Yeah, I did. Okay, back.
So what's on your screen?
Um, my name. I have read to their Akbar's privacy policy. Access as guest and a
Uh,
back.
okay, I shared another Meet link. You have to join that one. Go to the chat section. I shared another link. That's the Google Meet. You have to join that one as well.
Okay.
These are the backup. When the
Um.
meeting is ended, then you have to rejoin the Zoom, right? Go to the chat and then join the Google Meet link that I shared.